over 60? These 5 bed exercises may strengthen your legs better than walking. What if the reason your legs feel weaker isn't your age, but the way you've been exercising? Millions of older adults walk every day believing it's all they need to stay strong. And while walking is excellent for your heart, research suggests it may not be enough to rebuild the muscles that protect your balance and independence. That's why many seniors still struggle to climb stairs, stand up from a chair, or feel steady on their feet, even if they walk regularly. Here's the good news. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't even need to leave your bed. Studies have found that simple, strength-focused bed exercises can improve leg function more effectively than walking alone because they directly activate the muscles responsible for standing, climbing, and preventing falls. In today's video, I'll show you 5 easy bed exercises that almost anyone over 60 can do safely at home. And stay with me until the end, because the final exercise is one many physical therapists use to help older adults rebuild strength after surgery or long periods of inactivity. Let's start with the movement that prepares your legs for everything that follows. Exercise number 5, ankle pumps. This may look like the easiest exercise in today's routine, but it's one of the most important. Strong muscles need good circulation. When you spend hours sitting or lying down, blood flow slows, your ankles become stiff, and your calf muscles become less active. Over time, that can make your legs feel weak and heavy. Ankle pumps help reverse that. Research shows they improve circulation while increasing ankle mobility, 2 key factors for better balance and healthier movement. Here's how to do them. Lie comfortably on your back with your legs straight. If needed, place a pillow under your knees. Slowly point your toes away from your body. Hold for 2 seconds. Then pull your toes back toward your face. Hold again. Repeat the movement slowly for 15 to 20 repetitions. Don't rush. Slow movements activate your calf muscles much better than fast ones. And remember to move through the full range, from fully pointed to fully flexed. It only takes about a minute, but it prepares your legs for the exercises ahead. Now let's move to the first exercise that begins rebuilding real leg strength. Exercise number 4, heel slides. Think about how often you bend your knees during the day. Getting out of bed, standing up, walking, climbing stairs. Every one of those movements depends on healthy hips and knees. Heel slides strengthen both without putting extra pressure on your joints. Research has shown that older adults who regularly perform this exercise improve lower body function and find everyday movements easier over time. Here's how to perform it. Lie flat with both legs extended and your arms resting comfortably at your sides. Slowly slide one heel toward your hips while keeping your foot in contact with the bed. Bring it as close as feels comfortable. Pause for 2 seconds. Then slowly slide your leg back until it's straight again. Complete 10 to 12 repetitions before switching sides. Focus on slow, controlled movement. Your muscles, not momentum, should be doing the work. If your heel doesn't slide easily, wearing socks or placing a towel underneath your foot can help. For even better results, gently tighten the front of your thigh as you slide your heel upward. It's a small change that creates a stronger muscle contraction. After a couple of weeks, many people notice everyday movements beginning to feel smoother and more comfortable. And now we're moving to the exercise that targets one of the most important muscles for staying independent after 60. Exercise number 3, straight leg raises. Now we're getting to the exercise that builds the strength you rely on every time you stand up. If climbing stairs feels harder than it used to, or you find yourself pushing off a chair with your hands, weak quadriceps may be the reason. These large muscles on the front of your thighs are essential for standing, walking, and staying steady on your feet. Research shows that strengthening them can improve mobility, balance, and everyday function. Even later in life, here's how to do it. Lie on your back, bend one knee, keep your other leg straight. Tighten the muscles on the front of your thigh. Then slowly lift your straight leg about 10 inches off the bed. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower it slowly with complete control. Repeat 8 to 10 times, then switch legs. Don't worry about lifting your leg higher. The slow, controlled movement is what builds strength. If the exercise feels difficult, simply lift a little lower and focus on good form. Within a few weeks, many older adults notice that standing up and climbing stairs feel much easier. But strong thighs alone won't give you great balance. For that, you need one more powerful muscle group. Exercise number 2, glute bridges. Your glutes are the engine of your lower body. Every step you take, every stair you climb, every time you stand from a chair, these muscles are doing the work. Unfortunately, they're also some of the first muscles to weaken from too much sitting. When that happens, your knees and lower back have to work harder, making everyday movements more difficult. Research has linked stronger glutes to better balance, improved walking, and a lower risk of falls. Here's how to perform the exercise. Lie on your back with both knees bent and your feet flat on the bed, about hip-width apart. Then press through your heels. Before lifting, squeeze your glutes. Then press through your heels and slowly raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower yourself slowly. Repeat 10 times. The goal isn't lifting as high as possible. It's creating a strong squeeze through your hips. If you feel the exercise mostly in your lower back, lower your hips slightly and focus on squeezing your glutes before every repetition. Many older adults say this exercise makes one of the biggest differences in daily life. Standing up feels easier, walking feels more stable, and even getting out of bed requires less effort. Now we've reached the final exercise. It looks incredibly simple, but according to many physical therapists, it's one of the most effective ways to rebuild weak leg muscles after 60. Exercise number 1, quad sets. We've saved the simplest looking exercise for last, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Many physical therapists use this as one of the first exercises to help older adults rebuild leg strength after surgery, injury, or long periods of inactivity. Here's why it works. As we age, muscles don't just become weaker, they also become less active. Your brain gradually sends weaker signals to the muscles, especially if they aren't challenged regularly. Quad sets help restore that connection. Instead of moving your leg, you're teaching your thigh muscles to contract with maximum effort. Lie comfortably on your back with both legs straight. If needed, place a small rolled towel under one knee. Now press the back of your knee firmly into the bed while tightening the muscles on the front of your thigh. Hold the squeeze for 10 seconds. Keep breathing normally. Relax for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times, then switch legs. If holding for 10 seconds feels too difficult, start with 5 and gradually work your way up. Remember, it's not about how hard you start. It's about staying consistent. The mistake that holds most people back. Here's where many older adults give up. They expect results after a few days. When nothing changes, they stop. But muscles don't get weaker overnight, and they don't get stronger overnight either. Research shows that noticeable improvements usually come after several weeks of consistent strength training. That's why consistency matters far more than intensity. One important reminder: you should feel your muscles working. A little fatigue is normal. Sharp pain is not. If an exercise causes pain, stop and talk with your healthcare provider before continuing. Always work within a range that feels safe and comfortable for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more research-backed tips to help you stay active, healthy, and independent after 60. And if someone you care about could benefit from these exercises, share this video with them. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.